Well, evening, or is it morning? Hope you are well and all that. Coming here to check on the weekly review. Coming in to check on the weekly review, the weekend weekly review of EUR USD on the trades that I took within a week. So we start off by Monday. Just want to starting off by Monday. Starting off by Monday, this was the trade that I took. This particular point to this level over there. It was a good move. Yeah. There were some trades that I missed. This one, like this one, I couldn't. It's not that I missed it, it is because I did not want to take it due to the rules that I have, or rules of engagement in my strategy, and also the prop firm that I'm trading. So if I would have taken this trade, it could have resulted to something known as a soft breach, which I was not into. So there was this trade. I could have taken this trade. I did not take it, and also I learned something on a Monday, that during 9 o'clock, is it during here? Yes, during 9 o'clock. After, I remember I was waiting for the price to retrace to this level, but I remember after this was taken out, this demand was taken out, it is good for you to continue the trade. So so this was the move. It is not a must you wait for the price to retrace to this level. It's already 9 o'clock. This is the move that is being shown in the markets. Take that move. And yeah, so there was that move, but it is not usually on my model, but it is being refined. It is known as SAL. Yeah, the move is known as SAL. So after this has been taken out, take your move and go on. On Tuesday, I remember taking a trade at this particular point. During the trade also opened during the New York session. I entered a long position at this particular level here. Secured profits at this area, but I remember I was revenge trading this trade. I did not really based it on my strategy. The revenge trade. I remember I was selling at this particular point. I was selling, yet there was but the reason that I made, there's a reversed shoulder pattern. So the reason that I did not take the trade that I was supposed to take here is because one thing I learned is because of the sleep. Yes, sleep. I learned something about sleep, and also I learned that on that Tuesday. The Tuesday was on. It was on fall. Being picky. I learned something about being picky, and also fatigue. So what initially happened was I did not have enough sufficient sleep on the previous night. So when I was coming into the charts the following day, I was supposed to trade the hours that I was supposed to trade. But unfortunately, I did not do that. So fatigue this week, I've been struggling with fatigue and sleep. So yeah, coming over on Wednesday, I was talking about, so on Monday and Tuesday I was trading 3 hours for 3 hours. That was so I was trading for 3 hours from 9 to 10. No, not to 10, but to 12. From 9 to 12. So I had to adjust that, because I remember on Wednesday I missed a trade, a beautiful trade over here. That was on 5th. I missed a trade over here. The trade was perfectly aligned with my strategy. Perfectly aligned with my strategy. There was this trend line that was showing that the market is need to short, and after it short, in the morning there was nothing. There was just consolidation in the market. And and I learned something about it, the taps entry. So on Wednesday, Tuesday, most of the trades that were happening were tap entry. That was Wednesday, tap entries of the ones that were happening, and also on Thursday there was tap entries. I actually don't trade tap entries because I've not yet mastered the tap entries, because they are not in my, it is in my model, but I've not yet mastered them. They are kinda AL, meaning they are advanced level. I need first to master the basics, and then go to the beginning level, go to the rookie. Is it the rookie level or what? Before I get to the advanced level, I need to first master these trades, the retests and the entries, the sell entries. So there was this sell, so there was this tap entry. I was like, should I take this? And I was like, not yet. I've not yet mastered the tap entries, so I should not take this trade. So I remember on Wednesday I traded only for 3 hours, from 9 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Was it 12 o'clock? No, 1 o'clock. 9 to 10, 10 to 11, 11 to 12. Yeah, to 12 o'clock. But when we were looking at the charts, there's a trade that occurred during 2 o'clock, and it was a buy entry over here. It was a beautiful buy entry, and I missed this trade because I was not really at the charts. Yeah, I was not really at the charts, and I missed the trade. Missed 25 pip move to the upside. Again, market came back to that level for a retest. I was picky on that day. I don't know why I was picky, and came in, gave out around 16 pips, and so missed this particular move over there. So that was a learning curve. This week was a learning curve about the tap, my sleep schedule, and my fatigue level, and the hours that I need to embark in my trading. So coming into Thursday, there was that tap entry that occurred. You see this sell retest, that tap, beautiful tap entry that occurred. This week was just tap entries there. Tap, move. And this one came in and gave around 25 pips. Yeah. Also on Thursday I had a trade in mind. there was this long entry. Yes, this long entry, but due to my prop firm that I'm trading, I am not supposed to enter any trade during news. It will result into something known as a soft breach. So there was this trade, I had recognized this trade on the market, but I could not enter that trade. So that gave me an idea or a thought that I need to come with a personal account, fund that account to trade the news. Coming into Friday, there was nothing much that was happening on Friday, though we could see there was this top entry that was being established at this particular point. Market was just behaving off the top entries, and yeah, it was beautiful to see it and see it work out. So on Friday there's nothing much was happening, and there was a sale during NFP, and I came to see the sale. But I could not trade the market. I was not even on Friday. I decided not to engage in the market, so I was nowhere to be seen in the markets. So that was up for the weekly outlook. Took one trade over here. And took another trade on Tuesday at this particular point over here. So this was trade 2. So those are 2 trades, and on that prop firm I am up how many percent? I am up 6%. So this week I'm looking to finish off for the account, and yeah, hopefully everything will be good. I'm up 6%. Been trading this account for over a month now and 1 week, so looking for one trade this coming week and passing the challenge. Yeah, that's what's up, and see you in the weekly outlook for the next week. Is it week 6? Is it week 6? Yeah, week 6 of trading 0 to 10,000 a month challenge.